The Welsh Government's Chief Legal Advisor Jeremy Miles led Wednesday's press conference where he confirmed that another 37 people had died from coronavirus in Wales and that the daily number of cases has reached its highest level since the pandemic began. Merthyr Tydfil has the highest weekly rate with 402.8 cases per 100,000. The 7-day incident rate for the whole of Wales, as an average, stands at just over 200 cases per 100,000 people. However, what we really have to bear in mind is if an area has a small population, even one case can push this figure up significantly. Despite the rise in cases, Mr Miles reiterated that it won't be long before restrictions are lifted once again.
The firebreak is going to end on November the 9th. When we come out of this, our shops will reopen, people will go back to work, churches and places of worship will resume services, bars and restaurants will serve customers, and people will be able to exercise and train in gyms. And we will also have a new set of national rules to help us live with coronavirus and keep the virus under control.
Mr Miles also pointed out that the Welsh Government have now opened a fund to help businesses who have had to close in the firebreak, announcing that £300 million is being made available to support firms in Wales, in addition to the help they will be receiving from the UK Government's wage support scheme. And according to the Welsh Government, it's the responsibility of certain businesses and customers themselves to not buy essential products during this time. However, Philco Director Matthew Hunt said he has had no information from the government and found out on Facebook, whilst the Welsh Retail Consortium have said that supermarket staff are being put at risk for having to referee what can and can't be bought. The next government press conference will take place at Friday lunchtime. Until then, please do take care of yourselves and each other.